Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to make your Dropbox files online only, so they stay in the cloud and don't take up precious space on your device. Whether you're trying to free up storage or just keep things more organized, these simple steps will help you do it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your files and folders. If you're already logged in, you'll see your files listed as usual. Next, find the file that's currently available offline. You'll recognize offline files by the little download icon next to them, meaning they're stored locally and taking up space on your device. If you want that file to be available only when you're connected to the internet, you'll need to change its settings. Now tap the three dots next to the file you want to adjust. This opens a menu with several options related to that specific file. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Make Available Offline. If it's already active, you'll notice the toggle is switched on. Simply tap it to turn it off. Once you toggle off that option, Dropbox will remove the copy stored on your device, keeping the file safely in the cloud. Don't worry, you can still open, preview, and share the file anytime as long as you have an internet connection. That's it. You've just made your file online only. If you want to repeat this for other files or folders, use the same steps. It's a fast way to reclaim storage space and keep your mobile device running smoothly without deleting anything important. Now you know how to manage your Dropbox files more efficiently using the updated method. Thanks for watching.